dugsiga iyo kooxda gaashaamar taliye iyo gobol soo dhaqaajin
Hands operations, close contact battle, science and civil communication skills and a phonetic alphabet, well skillful trainers who are from British Army. Accordingly to during the training up to 15 January 2015, which ended successfully.
And to get a little impression. The police have so many specialties that either come as you look like, in order to have a rapid reaction capacity in order to protect against severe crime and terrorism, or being in the hearts of communities in order to serve and to protect. Thank you so much. Carry on.
Specific items you can do. That's in place for now.
How can we consider to advise in relation to how can we back up your officers through capacities that we have and that work in unison with you in order to allow you moving step by step into those areas that then gradually would have. What we have heard here today have been very profound statements by the senior representatives of the President and the Minister of Interior, for which we are very, very grateful, because they have made us understood where the specific situation is here and what these authorities need in order to pursue and to make a difference for the communities here in Kismayo and in the country. So that then also people understand how their situation is getting better through policing and through the rule of law.
waxaan ka wada hadalnay mataqaanaa baahida booliska Jubbaland waxaan u sheegnay baahida Jubbaland ay u qabto booliskeedu waxyaabaha ay u baahan tahay sida xarumaha oo loo dhiso sida mataqaanaa qalabkii boolisku uu ku shaqayn lahaa oo ay ugu muhiimsan yihiin mushaarka iyo qalabka mataqaanaa xabsiyada loo isticmaalo isgaarsiinta gaadiidka wax walba waan ka wada hadalay waan u sheegnay inaan baahi u qabno waxna aan ka haynin
Hadadtahay.